Hello Falcon parents and students. Mr. Hamilton back here again for another how-to video, this time looking at resetting your password. So, you've requested a password reset either by phone or through your teacher. Now what do? Well, you will first either open your TCS device or navigate to ClassLink. Once you're at ClassLink, either through your TCS device or through the URL, you'll simply enter your username, and then you'll enter the password that was sent to you after your reset request was processed. And you should see this reset form. Now, of note right here is old password. This confuses a lot of people because what it really should say is current password. So in this box, you will enter in the password that you were sent after your reset request was processed. Let's do that. On the next two lines where it says new password and confirm password, you'll do just that. You'll create a new password for yourself, but there are a few things to remember. The new password must be at least 8 characters long, including a capital letter, a number, and a symbol. Additionally, the password cannot be your first or last name, and it needs to be unique from your last 5 passwords. What I usually tell students who are struggling with these parameters is if you have a password that you've used in the past, you can simply change the number or the symbol, and that will make it unique. So let's create a new password. And there you go. If the password you've entered is acceptable, it should load you directly into ClassLink. It may load you directly into Schoology. If this is the case, navigate to launchpad.classlink.com/Tuscaloosa and you will arrive at the ClassLink window you see here. If you have any trouble, please call our password reset request line. It can be found in the Falcon View S'more, or contact your teacher who can request a password reset through a form that we have set up. Have a great year, good luck, and go Falcons!